Hi everyone, let's take a look on the PowerPoint presentation that we are going to create today. You see it's kinda nice. Let's see how we can create that. Okay, let's start. The first thing we need these pictures. You can have them from everywhere you want. It's just simple. You can add them. How? You format the background and from here insert your picture. For example, let's we add this picture for now. Then these effects are the things that we need. Let me copy them. Okay, this one is created using Overdrive, Sunset, and Font. You can add this from the icons and all of them from the icons also. And after adding that, you can change the colors to your want. Now this thing is just a simple one. Let me show you how to create that. Going to create a new one, paste the text. Now we just simply make it feel lower transparency, but it's better to be dark with a lower transparency, and everything is done. Then copy this slide. In the next slide, insert, format the background, insert the next background. For example, let's go with this picture we have. Now bring in the next text and next things, but before that bring this two to the up, and then don't forget to delete that because this is going to convert to this until the end. Then set the transition to morph for the better looking. Let's take a look. You see the text assignment is really nice and everything other is good. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice